We will begin with an induction, which is about overcoming fears. It's like in any, lives in any situation, we do have, fears operating at times. And so sometimes people have fear of failure. It's like they want to do something, but in the back of their mind, they're thinking about not succeeding. So they're focusing on their fears. And the way that the human brain works is the more we focus on something, the more we experience it. So sometimes people focus on rejection and being rejected, and it's that stops them and prevents them from taking action. So sometimes people even have fear of success. It's like they fear succeeding, and so different people have different types of fears. But today we will talk in general about overcoming fear. What you can do is you can think about any specific fear when you go through this. You think about any specific fear you want to work on, any specific fear you want to overcome. Now, this could be fear of rejection, this could be fear of failure, this could be fear of success, this could be fear of any other kind. Then just with that intention in mind that you're listening for this, and just listen to this induction. And I suggest that repetition is the mother of skill. So you repeat this many times, and for different fears you can listen to it with different intentions every time. So with that in mind, let's begin.